Welcome back to another video. So Rodin creating the DJI Neo drone, and this will be the output. As you can see over here, the model will look like this. If I'm gonna go over here for the PBR material, you're gonna see the following texture. And I also separated this into individual components, so they will look as following. Now, regarding the propellers over here, the overall shape is quite weird, as you can see it. It will be like this. We see over here within the reference the shape of those propellers. But the overall shape of the drone is actually not that bad. If you take this into consideration, we're gonna see over here in the front, we're also gonna have that lens and that camera. I can go over here, and if I will hit preview, we're gonna see how the model will look like this. This is the normal. So if I'm gonna go for geometry normal, it will share the same over here. If I will add shading, you're gonna see the model will look like this. Now, regarding this individual component segmentation, Rodin still does this a lot better than other tools. For example, over here, where we have that camera, we're gonna see that the shape that will be segmented will also be splitted. So while other tool will just cut the mesh and do a separation like that, Rodin will actually try to fill those so that there will be no holes within the mesh segmentation. So I'm really curious, what is your opinion regarding this? I still think that Rodin does the best mesh segmentation at the moment from the commercial versions. And yeah, let me know in the comment section, what other tools are you using for 3D generative AI? And if so, I would like to test those also and compare them with Rodin, Tripo, and Viscom. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.